Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Keeper login problems, device and access errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login problems with Keeper, follow these steps to resolve the issues. First, check your internet connection to ensure it's stable. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to a wired connection if possible. Next, verify that Keeper services are not down by visiting their official status page. If the services are up, confirm that you are entering the correct username and password. Make sure that caps lock is not accidentally turned on. If you've forgotten your password, use the password reset option to create a new one. Ensure you're using the latest version of the Keeper app or browser extension. If you're using a browser, clear your browser's cache and cookies. After clearing the cache, restart your browser and try logging in again. If you're on a mobile device, try closing and reopening the app. In some cases, uninstalling and reinstalling the app can resolve persistent issues. If you're still facing access errors, check your device's date and time settings. Make sure your device's date and time are correct and synced with the internet. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, ensure you have access to the verification method. For example, if you're using an authenticator app, make sure you can access it. If you're using a password manager, ensure it's working correctly and not autofilling incorrect credentials. If you still cannot log in, consider checking your firewall settings. Ensure that Keeper is allowed through your firewall and antivirus software. You can also try logging in from a different device to see if the issue persists. If none of these steps resolve the issue, reach out to Keeper support for further assistance. Provide them with detailed information about your problem for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix your Keeper login problems effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.